Now let's take a look at our program here. So what we see is the typical structure of a Java program. Most Java programs must be put inside of a class. That's what the first line of code is all about. It tells the Java compiler that our program is inside of a class called main, which is the same name as our file name, main.java. And what goes inside of a class are usually one or more methods. So in our case, we only have one method, which is main method. And this is very important because this is the starting point of your program. This main method tells the Java compiler this is where you should start executing the program. So for every Java project, it must have at least one main method somewhere in your .java file so that it can be executed. So another thing I want to talk about is how to write comments. So when we program, sometimes we may want to comment our code a little bit so that when in the future we or somebody else wants to read the code, these comments will make it easier to understand. So the way to do this in Java is to simply put double slash like this before the comment content. Okay, I can say this is my Java tutorial. Okay, and this is how you make comments in Java. Right, and I can put this comment anywhere in my code. Okay, I can put this say right behind this statement. Right, it will work. It worked the same way. And there is another way to make comments. So if you want to make like a multi-line comments, if your comments are very long, what you can do is you can one way you can do this is by just put double slash before every line of comments. Right? You can do this, or what you can do is to do like this. So slash asterisk and write your comments. This is a comment, and then you hit enter. It will automatically close the comment block by writing a asterisk and slash. So everything between the slash and asterisk are comments. So I can say, right? I can just do this over and over again. So everything is a comment. Okay, this is how you do group comments in Java. So now, if I run this program, it still says hello world because the comments are read by humans and not Java compilers. So it doesn't affect output of this program at all.